Now let's talk about comparison operators. In programming, we compare values. We use comparison operators to compare two values. We check if a value is greater or less or equal to other values. For example, let's just say console log, I want to check whether 3 is greater than 2. Now what do you think it will return inside of my console? Let's save and check now. Let's save. As you can see, it is returning true, meaning 3 is greater than 2. That's how we can perform comparison operators using these comparison operators. Let's see some more comparison operators. Let's say console log whether 3 is greater than or equals to 2. Now if I say that, as you can see, it is returning true. That's because 3 is greater than or equals to 2, right? Then we also have, let's go for console log whether 3 is smaller than 2. Now what do you think will happen? Is it gonna return true or false? As you already know, 3 is not smaller than 2. Obviously it's gonna return false. Let's just say save. As you can see, it returns false. Now let's also go for again console log whether 2 is smaller than 3. This time it's gonna return true. That's because 2 is smaller than 3, right? As you can see, it is returning true. We also have, as you might have seen, that I used double equals to compare values, meaning the double equals to is going to compare those values. In JavaScript, we use the single equals to sign to assign some values, right? So in JavaScript, we use double quotes to compare two values. For example, I will say 3 is equals to 2. Is it gonna return true or false? Let's save and check. It's returning false, meaning 3 is not equals to 2. That's right, that's correct. Now I can also check for whether 3 is not equals to 2. For example, whether 3 is not equals to 2, meaning 3 is not equals to 2. So it's gonna return true. That's because 3 is not equals to 2, right? So if I say that, it's returning true. Now in JavaScript, we also have triple equals to. The only difference between these double equals to, let's see an example, then I will explain you. Let's console log whether 3 is equals to 3, this 3, that is string 3. If I save that, as you can see, it's returning true. Similarly, if I use now triple equals to 3, it's returning false. Let me just comment these out so that you will know better. As you can see, this one double equals to, if we compare it with double equals to, it is returning true. But similarly, triple equals to is returning false. Why is that? Can anyone tell me in the comment section? Pause the video and comment. Were you successful? So let me tell you. These double equals to are going to compare the values only. Here is also 3. Here is also 3. So they are true. But this triple equals to is going to compare these values with the data type. The 3, this data type is number, but this data type is a string. Although they have the same value, but it's gonna fail at the data type. So that's why it is returning false. Similarly, we can also go for whether 3 is not triple equals to 3. It's true. That's because it is not equal to, right? That's why it is returning true. Similarly, we also have, let's take an example of, let's take one more example of triple equals to. Console log 3 triple equals to 3. Now if I save that, as you can see, these values are same, these data types are also same, so it returns true. That's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to talk about logical operators. So I will see you in the next one.